Hi there, and welcome to another episode of our series on how to use your mind, where we'll be talking and teaching you about how you can use your mind to take control of your thoughts, to take control of your emotions and your behavior, to take control of your life, and to get the life you want. More specifically, we're looking at how you can overcome your past, how you can navigate and resolve challenges you're currently going through, and how you can chart, design, and manifest desirable futures for your life. And I think that's what most of us want. We want better outcomes for our lives. We want to be able to tap into that part of ourselves that we know we can achieve, we really want to achieve, but we just don't know how. So I've got lots lined up for you. I think you really want to stay tuned because this is going to be exciting. This is going to be interesting. So stay tuned with me, Krisnan Hurdle, how to use your mind. See you on our next episode.